Hello friends, welcome to TH channel. Last two classes I have taken was, where, I am, is, are. I have make the sentences on these two. And next I have taken the yes this one, make the sentences on had, have, and has. Now I am taking the sentences. I am speaking how these sentences, these words combine together, like was, where, had, I am, is, are, have, has, and make the one sentence that I am showing here. See here. And these words are combined with the when, ago, now. Now see here. I was a student. I had lot of friends. These are two sentences. मैं स्टूडेंट था, मेरे को बहुत दोस्तां थे. Here past one. Now here come this one. I am doctor. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. I have no friends. मेरे को दोस्तां नहीं है. Here now we are talking here present situation and here the past situation. This combining together with the when, we are combining these four sentences and making only one sentence. How it is possible? With the when, ago, now. When I was a student, मैं जब स्टूडेंट था, I had lot of friends. मेरे को बहुत दोस्तां थे. Now अब, I am doctor. I have no friends. ఎప్పుడైతే నేను విద్యార్థి ఉన్నానో అప్పుడు నాకు చాలా మిత్రులు ఉండే. ఇప్పుడు నేను డాక్टरను, నాకు मित्रुలు लेरू. मराठीमध्ये, जेव्हा मी स्टुडंट होतो तेव्हा मला पुष्कळ दोस्त होते. आता मी डॉक्टर आहे, मला दोस्त नाहीत. Like this you make the one sentence. I have combined the four sentences here and making the one sentence. You don't say that I am repeating this one was, I am, where, again and again. Friends, you find out the difference between the first, second, third and this one. I am taking only on the was, where, had, but there is a difference between that one and this one. Now, Ravi, when Ravi was pilot, he had cap. Now he is singer, he has harmonium. 5 years ago. Now we are making the sentences on ago. 5 years ago, you were farmers. 5 साल पहले तुम किसान थे. You have bullock carts. आपके पास bullock carts थे. Now अब you are leaders. अब तुम leaders है. You have followers. You have HAVE. You have followers. 5 years ago you were farmers. 5 years ago you were farmers. You had bullock carts. Now you are leaders. You have followers. Like this, friends. Now I के ऊपर फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर. हाउ टू मेक द sentences on the first person singular. Here, when I was a student, जब मैं स्टूडेंट था, I had car, मेरे को कार थी. जेव्हा मी विद्यार्थी होतो, कौन मी, फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, I am talking myself. When I was a student, I had car. Now I am teacher. I had స్కూటీ. ఎప్పుడైతే నేను విద్యార్థి ఉన్నానో అప్పుడు నా దగ్గర కారు ఉండే. ఇప్పుడు నేను టీచర్ను, నా దగ్గర స్కూటీ ఉంది. లైక్ దిస్ యు మేక్ ద sentences, friends. Now next one, when 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 I was not student, I had car. Now I am leader, I have scooty. एक के ऊपर 10 4 sentences. How the making the sentences I am telling this one. When I was student, यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट नहीं था है, यहाँ पर when I was student, जब मैं विद्यार्थी था, I had no car. Now I am leader, I have helicopter. When I was student, I had scooty. Now I am not student, आता मैं विद्यार्थी नहीं, I have car. When I was student, I had scooty. Now I am leader, I have no scooty. You make the sentences like this. अब second person singular and plural. You can say second person singular. I am talking about you. That is the second person singular and plural. 10 years ago, you were in USA, you had company. 10 साल पहले तुम यूएस में थे, तुम्हारे को कंपनी थी. नाउ यू आर इन इंडिया, अब तुम इंडिया में है, यू हैव शॉप. 10 वर्षापूर्वी तू यूएस मध्ये होतास, तेव्हा तुला कंपनी होती. आता तू इंडियामध्ये आहेस, तुला शॉप आहे. 10 years ago, you were not in USA. You had no company. Now you are in UK. You have a company. You make the sentences like this also. How to make the sentences? 4 sentences on this one. You find out what is the difference between this. I am taking the detailed things. See here. 10 years ago, you were in USA, you had a company. Now you are not in UK. You have, so you have, HAVE, you have no company. HAVE, have. 10 years ago, you were in USA, you had a company. Now you are not in USA, अब तुम यूएस में नहीं है. You have 2 companies. 10 साल पहले, जब जब 10 साल पहले तुम यूएस में थे, अमेरिका में थे, तुम्हारे को कंपनी थी. नाउ अब तुम यूएस में नहीं है, अमेरिका में नहीं है. यू हैव 2 कंपनीज, तुम्हारे को 2 कंपनियां हैं. Here now, next one. He, I am talking about third person singular. याने ప్రపంచంలో ఎందరైతే పురుషులు ఉంటారో వాళ్ళ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నాము. जगामध्ये किती पुरुष आहेत किंवा स्त्रिया आहेत, त्यांना इंडिव्हिज्युअल आपण जर घेतलं तर थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर होतो. दिस इज द masculine gender. You talk about masculine gender or feminine gender, that is called third person singular. When, ఎప్పుడైతే, when नरेंद्र मोदी was चीफ मिनिस्टर, जब नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ मिनिस्टर था नहीं तो थे, he had white dresses, उनको white ड्रेसेस थे. नाउ अब he is प्राइम मिनिस्टर, अब वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, he has blue dresses. ఎప్పుడైతే నరేంద్ర మోదీ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ ఉండేనో అప్పుడు ఆయనకు వైట్ డ్రెస్ ఉండే, ఇప్పుడు ఆయన ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టరు, ఆయనకు ब्लू ड्रेस ఉన్నాయి. जेव्हा नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ मिनिस्टर होते तेव्हा त्यांना व्हाईट ड्रेसेस होते. आता तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर आहे, त्याला ब्लू ड्रेसेस आहेत. व्हेन नरेंद्र मोदी वाज नॉट चीफ मिनिस्टर, जब नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं थे, ही हैड कैप, उनको कैप था. नाउ ही इज प्राइम मिनिस्टर, ही हैज येलो यूनिफॉर्म. लाइक दिस you make the sentences. When Narendra Modi was chief minister, he had white uniform. Now he is not worker, he has towel. Here friends, what I am going to teach you, what I am going to convince you that how not is used at the different way. ये एक ही नहीं है, डिफरेंट वे से मैं तुम्हारे को पढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, बोलने की, समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। कभी नॉट यहाँ आया था, कभी वहाँ, कभी उधर आया, कभी इधर आया, कभी इस तरह से ఎప్పుడైతే మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నామో నాట్ ఎలా ఉపయోగించాలనేది నేను చెప్తున్నా. मी तुम्हाला सांगण्याचा हे प्रयत्न करू लागलो आहे, की नॉटचा उपयोग कशाप्रकारे करतात. एका सेंटेन्समध्ये एकच सेंटेन्स 4-4 कशाप्रकारे घेऊन नॉटचा उपयोग करतात, ते मी तुम्हाला सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करीत आहे फ्रेंड्स. When नरेंद्र मोदी was चीफ मिनिस्टर, जब नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ मिनिस्टर था, he had no कोट, उनको कोट नहीं था. जब नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, उनको कोट नहीं था. नाउ ही इज प्राइम मिनिस्टर, अब वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, ही हैज डिफरेंट कोट्स. यहाँ पर नॉट नो यहाँ आया, हैड नो आ गया, इधर कहाँ आ गया, यहाँ पर आ गया, नॉट यहाँ आया, इधर किधर आ गया, इधर where we have used here was not. That is why I am convincing you. When Narendra Modi was chief minister, जब नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, he had white dresses, उनको white dresses थे. Now he is prime minister, he has no white dress. Here I am convincing you that how to use the different types of questions. That is why I am going to tell you. That is I am convincing you. Friends, now subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like it and comment friends, so that I can get encouragement from you. Thanks friends.